The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. The public have been reporting that Barney the dinosaur have became perverted, and is now doing not safe for work stuff at children for absolutely no goddamn reason. He's also smoking really bad drugs such as some crack, marijuana and crystal meth, and started drinking alcohol. His weapons of choice are sex toys and his pee-pee. Is this the end of the world as we know it? Probably. This is a total chaos for children, including the little babies. The FBI is trying their best to find this perverted dinosaur. So that way, they can take him to jail for eternity. Tune into local radio TV stations for more information. The message will keep repeating in the next couple of minutes.